Hey, what's up? It's Danielle here. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Just want to make a quick video to go over some of the pairs that we've been watching and trading for the past week or two. So just want to kind of give you guys an update on how those played out. And I'll try to make this as quick as possible, so I'll keep it short and sweet. And we're going to start with AU. This is one of the analysis that was given out in the Telegram group. And for those of you that are not in the Telegram, and if you would like to join us, the link will be below this video, so you can click on that and join us for some more free analysis and signals. All right, so let's look at these pairs real quick. All right, so AU, this is what we were looking for, pretty much a break out of the bullish flag, and with an overall TP target of 0.8. Sometimes with the analysis on TradingView, I will give an entry point, a stop loss, and a TP target. Sometimes I will not. With this one, I did. I just noticed there's a typo here. So this actually should have been 0.775. You could have did a 20 or 30 pip stop loss, and then TP target 0.8. So if we look at that to see how AU, to see how it played out, you can see it was perfect. Broke above, retested, and pushed all the way up to the major quarter point 0.8. This is a very key psychological level, so of course it attracted sellers, and we had a nice sell-off from this week. So good thing, if you were in it, good thing that your TP was right there at 0.8. It was perfect. All right, so next pair we're going to look at is EU. All right, with EU, I'm sorry, not EU, EA, my bad. So with EA, we had a nice, simple head and shoulder pattern here. So we were looking to sell this with the first target, the next QP 1.55. Again, there was a entry for the sale, stop loss, and TP target was 1.55. And I believe that was hit. Let's see. So that was one analysis that was given. And then we had, where's the other one? Then we had this one here. All right, so this was just kind of a continuation, looking for a further decline, which played out perfectly. So remember the first target, 1.55, hit that one. And then let's see in my notes here, the target, last target was hit for about 90 pips. And our next target was the next QP at 1.525. So if we look at EA, you can see it, again, played out perfect. Hit 1.525 before the buyers stepped in and drove price right back up to retest this monthly channel support. So we'll definitely keep an eye on this pair for this week also. All right, now we will look at EU. Okay, so with EU, we had an inverted head and shoulder forming. We were just waiting for the completion of this right shoulder. So that was the first analysis. And then the other one that was shared, let's see, just a second. Okay, so this was the second analysis of EU that was shared. So as you can see, we did get that completion of that right shoulder. So I was looking to continue to buy this, but this one did not play out as well. I think we did get a break, but it was more of a short-term buy. So let's see. Let's see how that one went. All right, so this was the right shoulder here, the completion. So you can see the short-term buy. It fell just short of that QP 1.225 before seller stepped in and kind of drove price back down. So I think I mentioned before that my bias is still bullish as long as price remains above this this major quarter point 120. Now if we get a break below 120, then yeah, I think my bullish bias becomes invalid. So I'm still bullish on this pair because we're still trading above 1.2, and we still have this daily ascending channel, which is the red lines here. We're still trading within that channel. So again, it's a pair that I'll be looking at this week as well. All right, so I think we did buy it. Didn't hit our overall target. So like I said, the buy was kind of a short-term buy. Sellers had something else in mind. All right, so next pair we're going to look at will be AJ. Okay, so for AJ, I was wanting to see a pullback, but we did not get the pullback. I think price just kind of took off, and it did. I do believe it hit our target, 83.75. Right. So yeah, I was looking for a retracement to retest this QP or to retest the channel support, which was right there at the 61.8 fib. But like I said, price just decided to just go left without us. So if you take a look, and this was from this week, so yeah, we didn't get the price never came back to retest that. Like I said, it just kind of took off, but it did go up to 83.75. Actually broke through that and was headed to the next QP 85, where it looks like it was just shy of touching that level before sellers stepped in and kind of drove price down. So yeah, 82.5. Yep. Once it broke, it just took off. But overall, the analysis, it was good. We just didn't get the pullback. All right, so we'll take a quick look at CJ. All right, so for CJ, we were just looking for a continuation to the upside. We had already received a break here. I was looking for the retest. It was coming back for a retest, so I was just looking to continue to take this up to the next QP, which was our target at 85. So if you look at CJ, it did exactly that. So this was a perfect analysis. Overall target hit before the sell-off. And again, if you guys aren't using quarter points, you're really missing out. I tell people all the time, it's like the Google Maps of Forex. You can kind of predict where price is going to try to go. So the market isn't as unpredictable as they want you to think. But anyway, let's look at the next pair. Let's look at UC. USDCAD. Okay, with UCAD, we did have kind of a head and shoulder pattern, so was looking for a break and retest of the neckline to take it down to 1.2375. Now, I think this pair, it did eventually drop, but not all the way down to our overall target, but it did hit, you know, this QP 1.25, which is normally would have been the first target or overall target, but I was expecting more movement to the downside, but it didn't work out quite as well. But overall, the analysis was still good. So if you take a look, your head and shoulder pattern there, it did break. You did get the retest here. Price did drop, hit that QP 1.25, but buyer stepped in and then just drove price back up to the preceding QP. So you can see how important these levels are. So it was a more of a short-term short. So if we would have set our TP at 1.25, it would have been perfect, but I was just expecting more of a drop. All right, so the next pair we will look at would be NU. All right, so for NU, we did have a break above the quarter point 0.725. So we were looking for a retest to take it up to the next one, 0.75. I think it did continue to buy, but I think it fell short of this target, the overall target here. So you can see here, we did get the break. We didn't get the retest. You don't always get the retest right away, so that's just something to keep in mind. But like I said, it did continue to buy, but fell short of our overall target. So direction analysis was still on point. It was still good, but this week we just had a lot of sell-offs, and I didn't sell any of these pairs. I actually sat there and watched them drop and was just, I don't know what I was doing, but I did not push the button. Oh well, we'll just catch the next move. All right, so I think that's it. So yeah, if you are not in the Telegram group and you would like to join us, click on the link below this video and yeah, come catch some pips with us. All right, have a good weekend and I will see you in the next video.